Hello, today I'll show you how to change the output resolution in OBS for screen recording. Step 1, open OBS and go to Settings. Launch OBS Studio on your computer. On the top left corner, click on File and then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. A settings window will open. You can resize it to see all available options. Step 2, go to the Video tab and select Output Resolution. In the Settings window, click on the Video tab in the left sidebar. You will now see two main resolution options. Base canvas resolution. This is the size of the canvas you are recording from, usually your screen size. Output scaled resolution. This is the resolution your video will be saved or streamed in. Click on the drop-down next to Output Scaled Resolution and select the resolution you want. Once you've selected the desired resolution, click OK to save the changes. The new output resolution will now be used when recording or streaming your videos in OBS. That's it. Now you can control the output quality of your videos in OBS Studio with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.